Welcome back to Nothing to Do Crew. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to build this awesome Nintendo control display box. Woohoo! Let's check it out.
Seriously?
So first up, we're going to want to build our box, and for that we'll need some plywood, 1x3s, and some rope. So once you have all your material, you can go ahead and frame it all together, hit it with some brad nails, put some glue on the joints. But instead, I'm gonna save myself 2 hours because I found this at Hobby Lobby. And it's pretty much exactly what I need, and it's gonna work perfect. I know it's cheating, but hey, I'm not against it.
Hey everybody, this guy's a great big phony!
But if you're feeling extra crafty and you wanna build one on your own, here's the dimensions right here. And now I'm gonna cut the cords since they're way too long. I will end up reattaching them. I'll show you that part later. So the trickiest part of this project is going to be attaching the controllers to the frame. Now there's multiple ways you can do that. You can do hot glue, double-sided sticky tape. Thought about using Velcro. I even thought about putting like a copper wire and kind of wrapping the controller around there. Or heck, you could probably even use the cords for the controllers. But I think for this project we're going to use some Sugru, which is some pretty cool stuff. You could do just about anything with it. I wanted to test it out before I tried it, so I put some on this block of wood. It sticks really well. You don't have to worry about it falling off, and it actually holds a lot of weight. So if it'll hold the hammer, it'll definitely hold a video game controller. So it comes in pack of 8s, and each package is not that big. So we'll see how it goes. Stuff smells pretty funky. Alright. Well, it looks like it's taken more than I thought.
Much later.
Tuna, stop pumping lamb chop. But now we're gonna attach the plugs. And once everything's good and dry, it should look a little something like this. And now before I connect these cords, since all these controllers are super dirty, we're gonna go ahead and clean those. I don't even know if this is gonna work, but I hope it does. And while we're waiting for those controllers to dry, we're gonna hit this with a nice dark walnut stain.
Three hours later. One pair of pants later.
So I let that air out, and I'm afraid to open this. So, take 2. All right. Oh, no. That smells terrible. So, probably not the best idea. So that could have ended very bad. Luckily, the dishwasher is still working. It's been about 2 days, and the smell is just terrible. Can't get rid of the smell, but everything seems to be functioning properly. And best of all, everything came out super clean. These controllers are looking brand new. Just check out these before and after pictures. I mean, it made a big difference, and I didn't have to scrub them down for hours. Just set it, forget it. And luckily, I had one extra Nintendo controller, so we can keep this project going. Now we're not going to rewire them because most of these controllers are broken and I don't plan on using them ever again. It's just a display piece. So we're just going to do a simple and quick fix using some more of this stuff. And I guess we'll use about half of it. That should work. I'm just putting that there so it doesn't get dirty. And now we just gotta let it dry. And once the Sugru has fully cured on the cords, it's time to put everything into place. But first, I had a little extra, so I put some on this cord so I could test the durability, see just how strong this stuff is. And as you can see, I pulled pretty hard. It's actually pretty good. All right, put the switch in. This one's rather simple. 1, 2. And the final step is to hang it up on the wall. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Next video, we're gonna make one of these out of wood. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around. We'll see you guys next time.